I'm so happy to be sitting here with Emily Mallis. Emily is the philanthropy officer for Harrisburg University, and I met Emily, I think, just a couple years ago, right?
Oh, yep.
And attending some of their events and just being involved in the opening of their manufacturing center. And I don't even have all the words, so Emily, welcome, and
Thank
talk
you.
to me about the mission of Harrisburg University.
Great. Thank you so much, Kimberly. Happy to
Yes.
talk about Harrisburg University. We are located in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. We are a uniquely young school.
Yes.
We are 25 years as a university, but just 20 years of graduating students. So really just a young startup in the world of universities. But we have a fantastic mission. Our university was started because several business people came together 25 years ago and decided, the pipeline of the job market in Pennsylvania needs to stay, needs to expand, and that comes from STEM education. And they decided Harrisburg didn't have a four-year degree. There was no four-year institution in Harrisburg City. So they started Harrisburg University with the intentions of opening education to all. We really like our mission is to help underrepresented students. So we're talking about the students who maybe didn't have their parents or grandparents or aunts or uncles go to college, and sometimes that can be intimidating for a young adult. That if they want to, make that decision and go out on their own, and they don't have the guidance necessarily to figure out what they need to do. So about 50 to 60% of our students are first generation college students.
That's amazing. That alone speaks volumes for what you're trying to do there. It's unusual. Most of the universities we work with have been around a long time, and
Yeah.
just the innovation and the energy around the campus. Whenever I have been there, has been great. And talk to me about your manufacturing campus that you've put together.
Yeah, so we have a new building that's about 3 years old now, and it hosts our manufacturing labs. There is a beautiful facility.
Yes, it is.
And the machines, technology that our students get to work with is state of the art. Not many people have heard of Harrisburg University, but as soon as they walk through our labs, they leave telling other people about it. Our students are very coveted. They when people come through, they immediately ask, "Do you have any interns available?"
Oh,
So they
yes.
know that our students are getting a hands-on
Yes.
education.
It's absolutely hands-on. I can testify to that because whenever we come to the events, it's the students who are presenting the equipment and showing the tours how everything works. And we've done some projects with Harrisburg. So Harrisburg is a newish member of America Makes.
Yes.
So it's really great to bring you guys on board as a member and just start really exploring what it means together to take this new program in
Right.
advanced manufacturing innovation and put it into play with, we love that you're cranking out technicians,
Yes.
but you have some other degree programs also that you're in pioneering. Talk about that.
We do. So we have our advanced agriculture, which is just amazing. I mean, you think about aquaponics, hydroponics.
Oh, yeah.
It's a future. We just did a video with Phoenix Contact, who did a story about us about food deserts and how our aquaponics is changing the idea of that.
Especially in cities, right?
Exactly. We just started our first set of students for our PhD for physical therapist. We have a very unique program for that. So we are very much innovating and
Diversifying your programs.
and just bringing education to people who don't have easy access to it. So the PhD program, is a hybrid program. Very possible for students who are working full time to go back to school.
No, I love that. It's sometimes the traditional university education is not accessible because of that.
Right.
So one of my favorite events of the year, besides MilAM, is the one that you all started hosting a few years ago. I think is this the third or the fourth?
We're going on our fourth year.
Fourth
Yes.
year,
Yep.
2026. And it's got a really fun acronym.
Sure does.
And the acronym is JDAMIT, What does that stand for, Miss Emily?
Absolutely. It is the Joint Defense Advanced Manufacturing Meeting for Innovations and Transitions.
Yay! So, how fun.
Yes.
And that's coming up in the late summer this year.
Yes, it's going to be August 25th through the 27th.
And let me just say to you that if you want to experience advanced manufacturing in practice and learn alongside professionals,
Yes.
this is a fun event for you. And I love the military flavor for it. The AM Defense Community of Practice is out in full force,
Yeah.
and we wanted to bring Emily on so she could promote that and promote the work and the mission of Harrisburg, because we feel it's really important, unique mission that you have, and
it is, yeah.
we can't wait to see what you come up with next. So, are there any spoilers about the event this year?
Well, it's going to be similar to next year, but slightly different.
Okay.
But we are going to have the road closed down again this year. So if you joined us last year, please come again.
Block party.
Block party. We had a good time. We're working on meeting new innovations and technology to get more machines and materials there. We're such a unique summit that it's hands-on, just like we teach our students.
Yes, it's hands-on. You're not sitting in a lecture hall. You're at the equipment, watching it work. You get to do it yourself. Last year, I even got to do my own casting.
Yes.
At the event with a small company called Schooled, which is in Dayton, Ohio, which drove to be at the event. So anyway, you don't want to miss this. Besides the MilAM conference, I think JDAM is obviously one of my favorite events of the year because of the nature of so unique. And thank you for taking some time to come and see us, Emily.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
Yes, and maybe in the LinkedIn audience, you can link some of that information.
100%. Yes.
And so
you can visit us at jdammit.com.
There we go. Nobody else has that
Harrisburg
URL.
University. Just Google us and you'll find us.
Awesome. Thank you, Emily. And we've got a full plate tonight of,
we sure do.
of events and tomorrow. So thanks for taking the time to stop by.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank
See
you.
ya.
Bye.